tube heads. I just finished welding it up. Put some fiberglass on there now. Should have took a picture before I put the fiberglass on there. I didn't put it on here yet because I'm going to take this off. I'll take that smooth stuff there off before I put it on here. But so far so good. I mean, hey, amateur. It's an amateur, It's in there. The pan is in there, that's for sure. You get a few little holes and that sort of thing, but you can't worry about those little pinholes. Not me. It's time to move this car. Got to move back to Vegas. It's time to move this car. Anyway, just want to check in with you guys, let you guys know how I'm doing. Thanks for hanging out. Hope this thing turns out pretty good, because I ain't got nowhere else to go but just on the road. Talk to y'all later.